Today I am reviewing the Beelink Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. In today's world, where compact computing solutions are becoming increasingly popular, the Beelink Mini PC SER5 really stands out as a versatile, high-performance option for both home and office use. Whether you're looking for a mini desktop for work, light gaming, multimedia creation, or a home theater PC, this device promises to deliver impressive performance in a tiny form factor. Let's start with the heart of this mini PC, the AMD Ryzen 500GB processor. Built on a 7nm process with 6 cores and 12 threads, it operates at a base frequency of 2.1 GHz and can turbo boost up to 4.0 GHz. This ensures smooth multitasking, fast application launches, and no lag, even when you're switching between heavy productivity apps or multiple browser tabs. From office work and streaming to casual gaming, the SER5 handles all of it without breaking a sweat. The memory and storage configuration is another highlight. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 64 GB, and a 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD, this mini PC is well equipped to handle multitasking and storage-heavy applications. Whether you're storing large files, editing documents, or running creative software, the combination of fast memory and high-speed SSD ensures responsive performance. The upgradable memory also provides long-term flexibility, allowing you to scale performance as your needs grow. Graphics are equally impressive for a device of this size. The SER5 integrates AMD Radeon graphics with 7 cores clocked at 1,800 MHz, which delivers excellent graphics performance for tasks like 4K video playback, light video editing, and casual gaming. It also supports dual display setups at 4K at 60 Hz, giving you more screen real estate for multitasking, creative work, or even entertainment purposes. Having 2 screens connected simultaneously is especially useful for professionals who work with multiple applications or datasets at the same time. Connectivity is where the Beelink Mini PC truly shines. It includes a 2.5 gigabits LAN port for fast wired connections, dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for strong wireless performance, and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connectivity with peripherals. In addition, there are multiple ports including 3 USB 3.2, 1 USB 2.0, an HDMI port, a Type-C port with data and video support, an audio jack, and a DC power jack. This wide range of ports ensures that whether you're connecting monitors, external drives, or other accessories, the SER5 has you covered. Another advantage is its energy efficiency and compact design. The Mini PC is built to consume minimal power while still delivering desktop-level performance. This makes it ideal for small offices, home setups, or even a media server setup where space and power consumption are concerns. Despite its small size, the design is robust and reliable, offering consistent performance over long periods. When it comes to after-sales support, Beelink has also gone the extra mile. All SER5 units undergo strict inspections before shipping. Customers benefit from lifetime technical support, a 1-year free warranty, and 24/7 service, providing peace of mind for long-term use. Furthermore, the device complies with FCC, RoHS, and CE certifications, ensuring quality and safety standards are met. So, who is this mini PC for? If you're looking for a compact desktop solution for home office tasks, media streaming, light gaming, or dual-screen productivity, the Beelink SER5 is a fantastic choice. It combines power, portability, and versatility in a small, efficient package. Whether you're a student, remote worker, content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable home PC without taking up desk space, this mini PC can meet your needs. Overall, the Beelink Mini PC SER5 strikes a perfect balance between performance, compact design, and expandability. With its AMD Ryzen 5 CPU, dual display support, expandable RAM, multiple ports, and fast storage, it's a mini powerhouse that proves small devices can deliver big results. It's a highly recommended solution for anyone seeking affordable yet professional-grade mini computing for work, entertainment, or creative projects.